What's up students? In this video I'm going to show you how to solve the fifth question from section 1 asked in your examination last week. So you have over here a polynomial given to you 39 x to the power of 7 y to the power of 4 plus 13 x to the power of 3 or x cubed times y to the power of 5 minus 26 x to the power of 5 y to the power of 7. Now I know it looks a bit intimidating because it got big numbers and variables raised to high powers, but if you solve this problem strategically, it's quite simple to solve. So how you tackle problems like these? So first we are going to look at the number part. So here you got three numbers in total, 13, 26 and 39. So what you do is you take the smallest number there is, in this case it is 13, and then you try and recite the 13 times table. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39. All the three present over here, times 2 is 26, times 3 is 39. So we got our common factor, the number part of the common factor 13 written outside the bracket. Then we tackle the variable part, which is fairly simple to be honest. So let's deal with the x first. So take a look at the three terms and see which term has the smallest power of x. In this case it is 3 here. So your x cube will be your common factor. So you times the 13, you times the x cubed with the 13 written over here originally. And then we move on to the next variable, which is y. So here you got y to the power of 4, 5 and 7. Smallest one over here is y to the power of 4. So I'm going to write it down outside the bracket. Now, once I have written the common factor, the greatest common factor, then I start solving the bracket. So basically, I need to write terms in here which when multiplied yields me the original answer. So 13 times 3 is 39. X cubed times x to the power of 4 will give me x to the power of 7, rules of indices, and y to the power of 4 times 1 will give me y to the power of 4. Now because it is times 1, so I'm not going to write the times 1 over here. That is why I have nothing written here. Second term, 13 ones are 13. X cubed times 1 again gives me x cubed, and y to the power of 4 times y to the power of 1 gives me y to the power of 5. Now I have deliberately written this one here in blue because you don't need to write y to the power of 1, because it is understood that when there's nothing written against any number or variable, the power is 1. Hence I wrote it in blue pen. Then moving on to the third expression, 13 times 2 is 26. X cubed times x square gives me x to the power of 5, and y to the power of 4 times y to the power of 3 gives me y to the power of 7. Close bracket. It's very simple to solve. Now marks distribution. If you are able to find the common factor, which is this one here, you will receive 1 mark. And once you've solved the bracket, if your grouping is correct, you will receive the second mark. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.